Can you guys tell that I touched up my hair? My roots are growing out where my blonde is and it's so gross. Hello everyone, this is Sun. So today I'm going to do a haul on some clothing pieces that I got from YesStyle. I just got a couple of pieces, but I also wanted to give you some tips on shopping online. I've wanted to do this video for a very long time, but it's finally here. I'm actually wearing some pieces I got from YesStyle too, so I'm going to show you everything. I spent about, I want to say I spent over like $500 a year on YesStyle. Like, I love YesStyle. I'm a YesStyle influencer now, but I still buy a lot of their stuff. I love them a lot. They just carry so many like different brands. They carry like Korean brands, Chinese brands, and Japanese brands. This year I also want to shop more small businesses because you gotta support a small business. I'm a small business. I'm sorry if I sound like I have a slight lisp. It's because I have my Invisalign in and it's a new set. So first item is this cardigan I'm wearing right now. I love this cardigan. I have another one that's similar and it's in pink. I just loved it so much. I got the pink one about a couple years ago. This one I got, of course, in my most recent purchase and I love it. Second piece I got from YesStyle is this sheer top. I have this sheer top in white, but I really wanted it in black. These tops are really nice. I like to wear how I'm wearing like a vest on top of it, like a knit vest. I love wearing like something on top of it. I love these sheer tops for layering pieces too because you can wear it under like dresses. And also I have these shorts that I have on right now. These have like little chains on them and I love it. Make sure you take the chains off before you put them in the washing machine. Something else that I got that is the same as something I got before, it's just in a different color, is this short sleeve button up. These are nice pieces for layering as well. I love them. I can wear this, I can tie this up, I can tuck it in. I have this in red. You probably see me wear this before. I have this exact same button up in red, and I got two dresses this time from YesStyle, and this dress is my favorite. I want to get it in the other colors now because it's so comfortable. So this is what it looks like. I'm sorry if I don't have like a video of me trying some of these on, but I'm just gonna show you here, and I'll also have the links down below so then you can find these pieces yourself. I love this one because it's so stretchy, it's so comfortable and warm. It's long sleeve, great for the fall time and the winter time. Doesn't show too much skin for me. Like, this is perfect. It doesn't go too low and it fits very well. It kind of sits on my shoulders like this. And then the last thing I got from this YesStyle haul is another dress. I got more stuff too. I got like accessories and stuff, but I'm just going to show you like the clothing pieces. I always get accessories from YesStyle. Sometimes I bought a lot of skincare this time too because I'm running out of skincare and I really should treat myself. But yeah, this is the last dress. It's a nice floral. It scrunches up here on these two sides. This is my favorite part. Great for the like summertime. You can like adjust this. I just have it tied up. So this like scrunches up here. The dress is a little bit too big on me. I feel like sometimes their sizing, maybe I'm getting smaller by the day, but I should have gotten it a little bit smaller because this neckline is a lot bigger. I would tie it tighter in the front. It's like it can go on your shoulders like this, but it can go off your shoulders too. Okay, on with some tips I want to give you guys on online shopping. Let me read my list on my phone. First thing, very important, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this, but look at sizing first and measure yourself. So a lot of websites, including YesStyle, they have the exact measurements of the clothing piece or the shoes or whatever it is. Make sure you measure and measure yourself because, you know, every brand has sizes that are a little different from other brands. So you want to measure yourself, get a measuring tape. I have a small cute measuring tape that I actually got from YesStyle too. But yeah, measure yourself. And also buying things a little bit larger is better than buying them too small, because you can always like adjust it. I don't know, put a safety pin on it when it's too large. And especially for outerwear, I always get my outerwear in like a medium or a large, even though I'm a size small, because I like, you know, winter clothes to fit bigger on me, mainly because you can adjust larger sizes and you can't do the same for smaller sizes. Next is very important too, is look at the reviews. Like for YesStyle, they have a lot of reviews on each of their items, so check the reviews, check how many items have been sold. If you're shopping in small businesses and the website doesn't have reviews, make sure you check their Instagram, check their social, see if there's any social proof or any reviews on the items. Next tip is don't judge based off of the way it looks on the model and think that that's how it's gonna look on your body shape. Yeah, some items on some shops aren't exactly the same as the ones on the model, but you really have to, for those, you gotta look at the reviews to see, you know, pictures or someone saying, oh, this is too small, or this fits this way, this fits that way, you know. But if you see, let's say, like a dress on a model that's like very slim figured and you're not that exact height, or you're not the same body shape, like everyone's body shape is different. Models' body shapes are different from normal people body shapes. So make sure you know how that piece of clothing would look on you before buying it, for clothing especially. A last tip that I have for now, these are the only tips I wrote down. I know I have much more tips, but yeah, check the internet to see if there are alternatives at a cheaper price via Google. So what I usually do is, if I find a wholesale website that I would shop on, I would look at alternatives for that item. Whether I see an alternative in the small shop, or I see an alternative that's a little better quality or cheaper in price, I would go for it. If you see an item that's like A-line skirts or pleated skirts and you see it at a high price, you want to check like if there's other sources that have a lower price with a better quality. If you're shopping small, like if you're shopping for a small business, they may have a higher quality, they may be more expensive because it's handmade. So there's a lot of things that go into it. You want to do your research before you shop for clothing online, because sometimes it's a little dangerous because I'd be spending a lot of money. But that's all for my haul, and just a couple of tips to give you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Hopefully it's not too long. I have a small business myself, so go check it out down below. It's euphoricsun.com. I sell beauty, lashes, jewelry, accessories, things like that. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and check out my shop Instagram, which is shop.euphoricsun. My main Instagram is SUNISPRETTY, just like here on YouTube. And I have a TikTok too, it's sunnyside_ice cream. And yeah, talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.